Hello everyone, looking to save big on your car insurance in California. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find the cheapest rates available right now, step by step. So, according to nerdwalk.com, on latest April 2025 data, Garage Insurance Association and Kemper are offering some of the lowest prices for drivers in California. So, for a minimum coverage, Grand Insurance has rates starting around $30 per month for a 35-year-old driver with good credit and clean record. That's one of the best deals you can find right now. And if you want full coverage, check out Auto Club of SoCal. The average they average $102, I think. And yeah, this one right here. Followed closely by Geico and Mercury. Now, if your budget is tight, California offers a low cost insurance program for eligible residents, which is here. Just search low income car insurance California and look for the website. I can let me show you. So you have to type low cost auto insurance program California. Then this one right here. Click on it, or you can click the second link and read this one and contact them on how you can apply for this. Anyway, so let me return to that words tab. Quickly minimize it. So for young drivers, rates are higher. Let me quickly scroll down. So this is depending on the driving record. Anyway, so as I was saying, for young drivers, Grange and Kemper offer are still among the cheapest, which is $70 per month for young drivers. And where we quickly show them. Yes, this one right here. So Kemper has 224, and for young drivers here, and Cage also has for seniors it is 27. So drivers, if you have had a speeding ticket, accident, or even DUI, will want to compare quotes from, like, let me quickly show you. So for DUI, here you'll want to compare quotes from Grange, Camper, Orion, State National, and CSC. So choose the one that fits your budget and it. And they consistently offer lower rates even for high risk drivers. And for the best results, use comparison tools like Alert Wallet, US News, or the Zebra or Policy Genius. Introduce your code and get quotes in minutes. Like you can compare, qualify, and save quickly with those tools. And that's all there is to it. Check out nerdwallet.com website for their updated pricing for April 2025. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.